Using Amazon PPC to protect your house. This is your Amazon listing. This is your house. You own it. Don't let others steal from your house. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today in today's video. I'm Dr. Travis Ziegler, so stay tuned. Amazon PPC may seem like a complex subject, but it doesn't have to be. Hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell to be notified whenever we come out with great brand building videos and videos on Amazon PPC. So there's a lot of real estate on Amazon. There's a lot of places where you can put different products, different sponsored products, sponsored display ads, sponsored product ads. But other people are bidding for that, and you need to take advantage of that. Now, I know a lot of you are saying, but what if I don't have high enough margins to protect our listings? What do I do if I only have 1 to 2 products? It's actually quite simple. Make the profit margin large enough to make it worth going after a high bid. I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. I'm not talking about some dinky little bid. I'm talking about super high bids. And I'm going to give you guys a live demo at the end of me making one of these ads just to kind of show you how to do it. But this is how you make a high enough profit margin. You make a variation. You make a 3-pack, a 6-pack, a 12-pack. Now, I hear you also saying that I don't have a consumable, so I can't do that. You can do it with any product you want. I do it with a consumable. I do it with sunglasses. I do it with non-consumables. Make color variations. But believe it or not, if somebody's buying your plastic widget, they might want 3 to 6 to 12. And you give them a discount for that. So the typical discount that I usually give is if they buy a 3-pack, they get it for 2.25x the price. If they buy a 6-pack, they usually get buy 4, get 2 free. If they buy a 12-pack, they'll usually get buy 8, get 4 free. And so that's kind of the typical pricing that I go with. I think I learned that a long time ago in my direct consumer marketing classes, but make a variation. It's super simple to make a variation. I am not going to show you how to do that. It can be on the listing or off the listing. The example I'm giving you today, my 6-pack right here in front of you and a 3-pack that I've made before, I don't have them as a variation on the listing. I actually have them as separate listings altogether. So your action items for this video, and I'm going to go into a live demo and show you how to do this, is make your variation or make a separate listing with 3 and 6 or 12-pack, or do a combination of 2 of your products. Make a sponsored product display ad, and make a sponsored display product targeting ad is what I meant to say. Make a sponsored product targeting ad, make a sponsored display product targeting ad. So let me share my screen and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so here we are inside my Seller Central. Here's my 3-pack. I'm gonna advertise it on this 1-pack right here. So I'm gonna grab this ASIN right here. We're gonna go over to Campaign Manager and we're gonna create campaign. Here's sponsored products and here's sponsored display. I'm going to pick sponsored products first. I'm just going to call this manual defensive campaign. And it's going to be this, which is our 3-pack, on this, which is our 1-pack. Simple naming structure. I'm going to do a 100 daily budget, manual targeting, bids up and down, that's key. Go bids up and down. Adjust placements. We're gonna go product pages. We're gonna go 200%. We're not losing that bid. So bidding up and down will get that up to 100% or 400%. So it's gonna bid quite high. And I'm not gonna bid low either. So it's gonna be like $20 to $30 per click. I'm just gonna use that same ad group down here. So I'm gonna search for that product right here. There it is. We're going to add it to the list. So that's the product we're going to be advertising for. Now what are we going to be targeting? We're going to do product targeting. Let's go find that other one. So grab the other ASIN. And we're going to go individual products. We're going to search. Got to eliminate that space. No results. Oh, that's because I have that. There we go. All right, and add that, and that's it. So 241 suggested bid. I'm going to go 10. And so when we have that as 10, you can go higher if you want. 10 with a 200% bid, it will bid up to $30, but then it has another 100%, so it will bid up to $60. If I have my math correct, that's just off the top of my head, if all goes well. So you're going to have a $60 click to lead that sponsored product display. And if somebody clicks that and it's a high, you have the margin to support it, but it's going to protect your listing. So I'm going to save that one. Now we're going to go over to the other one. So I'm going to come back here, grab my ASIN again, and we're going to come over here, go back to Campaign Manager, create campaign. Now we're going to do a sponsored display ad right here. And then we're going to do manual SD defensive. This is our 3-pack again. On that other ASIN. This is our 1-pack. Alright, so we're going to copy that again. $100 daily budget. Right there. Let's find that product again. Add. Let's grab the other one too. Product targeting. Optimize for page visits. Or we could even do viewable impression because we'll just get more impressions. And that's what really matters, but you can kind of pick any of these. I haven't really tested those, to be honest. I'm going to enter a list, and we're just going to go after that one product, and we're going to close out of this one. So you can see this one's $9.48, so I'm going to bid a little higher than that. I'm going to go 15. I'm going to go over and above the upper range. Again, you have the margin to support it. Let's actually go 20. And I'll just leave this alone. I don't think it needs anything else really. It's fine as is. Then launch campaign. And so that's it. Take action. Make a variation. Create a sponsored product. Create a sponsored display. I just showed you how to do it all, but create the variation. It literally takes minutes. It doesn't take long at all. Build one of these a week for your listings. Build one variation, build one sponsored product, and one sponsored display to protect your house. You can also make virtual bundles. Making virtual bundles, you can also advertise those as well. Virtual bundles are just bundles of your products that are on Amazon already, FBA. You bundle them together with a virtual bundle, and then that will allow you to advertise against the other products as well. So let me know what you thought about this video. Put your comments down below. Let me know. Thanks. Amazon PPC may seem like a complex subject, but it doesn't have to be, and that is why we created this channel. On top of Amazon PPC, we're going to share different tactics and strategies that we've used to build a multi-million-dollar business, as well as the strategies that we're using to build a $100 million company, which is our goal. We don't know how we're going to get there yet, but that's our goal, and we want to take you along for the ride. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell to be notified whenever we come out with great business building and Amazon PPC strategies.